Law and Solutions, solving your legal puzzle. Deemed conveyance. Conveyance means to transfer or convey anything to another person. Deemed conveyance. In the legal sense, conveyance refers to the transfer of ownership or other interest in the property to the other party. Deemed conveyance. Conveyance deed is a document executed to transfer the title of the land and building in favor of society or association of persons, that is AOP. Need of deemed conveyance. In a situation when a promoter or owner of residential premises, buildings does not transfer or convey the ownership of the flats to the housing society or association of persons, that is AOP. Need of deemed conveyance. The society or AOP can make an application to Registrar of Cooperative Housing Societies to transfer the ownership of the said flats to them. Importance of deemed conveyance. The main objective of formation of the society is to obtain the conveyance, and if conveyance is not given by the builder within 4 months from the date of registration of the society, a case can be filed against the builder to obtain the conveyance. Advantages of deemed conveyance. 1. Getting a proper and legal title in the name of the society. 2. Retaining the additional FSI as per the government announcements. 3. Property will be free and marketable. 4. Society can raise the loans for repairs and reconstruction by mortgage. 5. Society can take the benefit of TDR. 6. Permission from planning authorities is possible if the building has to be reconstructed at a later date due to dilapidation of the structure due to age or by earthquake. 7. Members can receive compensation from builder on redevelopment of the building. Disadvantages of deemed conveyance. 1. Even though you have purchased ownership flat, you are not the owner of the land and building. 2. In the event of a building collapse or damage to the building, you cannot reconstruct the building without the permission of the builder or landowner. 3. The builder or developer may mortgage the property purchased by you as he is the legal owner and holding the title deeds of the property. 4. The builder or developer may transfer the FSI or TDR to his other projects and enjoy the commercial benefits, depriving the flat purchaser or society of its legal entitlement. 5. The builder may make profit by sale of open spaces, gardens, terrace, parking space belonging to the society. 6. The builder may demand a huge amount from the society if conveyance is sought by the society after a lapse of many years. 7. The builder may sell the entire development rights and the legal rights on the land to third party and create a third party interest in the property, and the society will have to incur a huge amount to clear the same. Terms and conditions. 1. At least 60% of the flats in that scheme should be sold. 2. A cooperative society or association of persons should have been formed of the flat owners, and at least 3 to 4 months should have been passed since then. 3. There should be communication between the builder and the society or AOP regarding deemed conveyance, wherein the builder should have made a promise of completion of conveyance or refuse to do the same. Procedure for filing application for deemed conveyance. 1. Write a letter or email to builder or promoter requesting him to provide a draft of the sale deed or conveyance deed, or providing the draft to him and requesting him to sign the same. 2. If the builder rejects or postpones the same, send him a legal notice through an advocate requesting for the same. 3. Even then, if the builder refuses, file an application with the Registrar of Cooperative Societies together with all the relevant documents and Rs 2000 court stamp fees. 4. Self-attestation all the copies enclosed by the society. 5. The competent authority will assess the application, and if any documents are missing, he will ask the applicant to correct the mistake within 15 days. 6. Thereafter, notice would be sent to the promoter and the landowner. 7. After receipt of the notice by the landowners and the promoters, the authority will hear both parties in the first hearing and ask both parties to produce further evidences in next hearing. 8. Thereafter, second hearing would be held, and if the builder or landowners do not attend both first and second hearing, then the authority will pass an ex parte order. 9. Thereafter, the third and final hearing would be held, and the authority would be held and order would be passed unless a legal question is raised. 10. Normally, the whole process is completed within a period of 6. Documents required. 1. 7 by 12 extract. 2. City survey map. 3. NA order. 4. Certificate under Urban Land Sealing Act 1976. 5. Draft of sale deed, etc. A deemed conveyance means when the builder or promoter or developer of the project refuses to sign the conveyance deed, the court can sign the same on behalf of the builder and record the same in the government records. Contact us for legal advisors. Call 98201 32201 or 7045 090 411. You can email us at law5solution@gmail.com or you can visit us at www.lawandsolutions.com. Thank you for watching.